Honor launched its new budget-friendly phone underplay series in China called Honor Play 70C. Now, let's have a look at the specifications of this smartphone. The Honor Play 70C features a tall 6.75-inch HD Plus display with up to 90 Hz refresh rate support, and it has a water drop notch at the top center that carries in 5-megapixel selfie shooter with f2.2 aperture. The rear panel of the phone houses a 13-megapixel primary camera under the squarish module at the top left corner with f2.2 aperture. Under the hood, the Honor Play 70C comes powered by MediaTek Helio G81 Ultra chipset, paired with Mali G52 MC2 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 4 or 6 GB of RAM that can be extended up to another 6 GB by using internal storage, and it has 64 or 128 GB of onboard storage. The device comes backed by a large 5,300 mAh battery with 15 watts charging support, and it runs on Android 15 out of the box, with Magic OS 9 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 4G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.1, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 167 by 77 by 7.89 millimeters, and it weighs around 186 grams. So now, let's explore the pricing details of this smartphone. The Honor Play 70C has been priced in China for 4GB plus 64GB storage variant at 599 Chinese yuan, while the 4GB plus 128GB storage model is priced at 699 Chinese yuan, and the higher variant with 6GB plus 128GB storage option is priced at 799 Chinese yuan. This smartphone is now available for purchase in the country in Lake Blue, Moonlit Silver, and Ink Rock Black color options. So, what do you guys think of this Honor Play 70C smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.
Yeah.